Hello guys, welcome to another video lesson. In today's video, I want to discuss with you about losing trades. Okay, we are watching GBP USD chart. That's the weekly chart. And now I want to show you that here, we have this weekly order block right here, as you can see here. Okay. Then price recently came and touched that weekly order block just right here. Okay guys, inside that weekly order block, if you just take the replay button and go to the daily chart, you will see that another daily order block right here. Okay, we'll check this one here. That's the daily order block around the weekly order block, and then we have another order block right here. Okay, now let's get out of the replay. Okay, here you can see that price recently come inside that first daily order block here. Okay, so weekly order block, then I went down to daily, and then I modified them, and price actually just test that daily order block around the weekly order block. Okay, now let me take you to the 4-hour chart and let me discuss with you about my losing trades. Okay guys, now you are watching the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, that was our level, and we had this first imbalance, 4-hour imbalance, but price never came to this imbalance. Then we had this second imbalance, and my order was executed. Well guys, you could see here that it was violated. This low was violated by 0.5 pips, but I always place 2 pips extra stop loss. I always add 2 pip extra because of the spread. So actually I was still in the trade, even though this low was violated by 0.5 pips, half pips. Okay, I entered that trade, and I actually, when I entered here, I wanted to keep my trade, hold my trade until this level here, weekly level here. Okay, and I didn't go to break even either. So on this first trade I took, then I let it run. It was running, and suddenly it came down and it took my stop loss. So that's the first loss. Let me just clean it. So that was the first loss. I could make here 6R, but I don't need that 6R. I just want to follow my trading plan. I don't care. I become careless because I know I have an edge in my strategy. I know my strategy works. I'm a swing trader, and I just want to hold my trades from weekly level to level. Okay guys, then we had second imbalance right here. Okay, and then I actually was in the trade as well. Then as you can see that it was executed. So there was second imbalance. I placed the trade, and as you can see that my trade was executed because the order block was too big. So I placed the trade on half actually, and that trade here also gave me 6R, but I didn't go to break even. And I didn't go to break even. I just let the trade run, and it was actually a loser, as you can see. So I lost the second trade. Okay, first trade, then I lost second trade here. Okay, now we had the third trade. As you can see, that order block and the imbalance was created. Yeah, There was the imbalance that was created. I was in the trade and there was a loss as well. Okay, guys. So I had 3 consecutive losses in GBP USD pairs, and trust me guys, if I was, in the beginning of my trading career, like 7 years ago, 8 years ago, I might change my strategy after 3 losing trades. I might think, many beginner traders might think that, oh, I tried this strategy, I had taken 3 trades and this strategy doesn't work, now I have to change my strategy. That's the cycle of doom. After you lose few trades, then you become hopeless, you think your strategy doesn't work. But you think like that because you didn't back test it enough, or you didn't forward test your strategy enough. You just kind of study. You didn't study your strategy enough. Okay, guys. So I had 3 losing trades. Now let me take you forward. Okay, guys. So here is the magic. So here we had another imbalance right here, but price never came to this level. And then we had another imbalance. Okay. So we had this imbalance. I will show you how I placed the order in my MetaTrader 5. I will show you within few seconds. But there was an imbalance, but that imbalance, as you can see here, that imbalance actually didn't consolidate away. Okay, it didn't consolidate away. But even though it didn't consolidate away, I placed the order, because there are some rules when you can take an imbalance even it didn't consolidate away. Okay, guys, let me take you to somewhere. 1 second. Guys, look at this here. This is the My FX book, and as you can see, on the Wednesday 1st of November, we had a Fed interest rate decision. Okay, 1st of November. Okay, guys. Now let me take you to the chart. Now, this imbalance happened in 2nd of November. Okay, because I trade the same strategy, same pattern for last 7 years, 8 years. Because of that, I developed an intuition. Okay, because of that, I know that when market can turn from the bearish to bullish. I don't know, but I have developed an intuition, the sixth sense. Okay, you will develop it as well. If you trade the same strategy for at least 2 years, you will develop it. Anyone develop it, the intuition, sixth sense. Well, guys, I hope you understood. So because of that, I placed the order. Now I will take you to my MetaTrader. Okay, and I will show you what is my target. My target actually here, my target from here to market target will be to the next order block here, but I think it will go beyond that order block. But I, for security reason, because anything can happen in the market, just want to take profit here, just here, right here. Now let me take you to my MetaTrader. Okay, this is my MetaTrader, and as you can see it very clearly that I'm in a buy. It's not a buy limit, not a buy stop, it's a buy. Okay, whenever you see buy, it means I'm in a trade. Okay, just try it yourself in MetaTrader. Whenever you see buy, then lot size, then at, then when did you buy, just to make sure that I'm not lying with you guys. I don't want to lie because I have nothing to get from you guys. Just anyway, guys, I just need your love, nothing else. Anyway, guys, so you can see that I'm in a buy. Okay, not a buy limit. I'm saying it again, not a buy stop, not a buy limit. I'm in a buy. Okay, because now, as you can see here, I bought here. Okay, as you can see here, that was the full order block, but I didn't use the full order block. I actually placed the order here. Okay, guys, and my trade was executed. Let me see that how many points. And also the most important thing is here, as you can see that my take profit, this is the weekly chart right now. I'm in the weekly chart right now. As you can see here, that's the weekly chart here. Just look at it here, GBP USD weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. Okay, so my take profit will be this weekly level right here, just little below that order block. Okay, now let me show you the points. See ya guys, just 1 second. Now as you can see, my stop loss point was 15.1. That was my stop loss points, and my take profit point was 362.4 pips. Okay, so now let's see here. I requested my editor to hide my lot size because I don't feel good to show you my lot size. Anyway guys, I just deserve that kind of privacy. As you can see here, points are 15.1 point. Just look at that point, you know, drag to modify, then the profit, then the points. That's a 15.1 pip. Okay guys, and my take profit, as you can see here, there, and my take profit here, as you can see here, drag to modify, profit, then points. The points 362.4 pips. Okay, that's my take profit points. Okay guys, now just 1 second. Now let's see how many R is gonna give me. What will be the risk reward? 362.4 pips divided by 15.1, and that's gonna give me 24 R. So I am willing to make a total of 24 R in this trade, in this GBP USD trade. Now let's go back to the trading view. So if I am making 24 R in this trade, okay guys, in this trade, so do you think if I lost 3 trades in a row, does it matter? It doesn't matter. You know, losing, whenever I trade the supply and demand strategy, original supply and demand strategy, losing does not matter, you know, because your winners are so big. Thanks for watching, and don't be afraid of losing trades. Okay guys, just back test your strategy, forward test your strategy, work hard, practice hard, repetition. That's when you will become a profitable trader. Thanks guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Thank you guys, bye.